Greetings netizens. The NCIL News team proudly announces an incredible opportunity for all the netizens around the world. Dipak management has extended the date to qualify for Dream Thailand from September 30th to October 31st, 2019. Also, the qualification date for Early Bird is extended from August 15th to August 31st, 2019. This is the best occasion for all netizens to qualify for this event and win the following rewards. The early birds would be felicitated with the fascinating Samsung Galaxy A70 smartphones. As an excellency reward for the efforts of the hard-working team leaders who help the netizens to achieve passes for Dream Thailand, they will be felicitated with a stunning, state-of-the-art smart tablet, the Samsung Galaxy S4. Hurry up and grab this chance to live Dream Thailand at its greatest. I am Kate from the NCIL News team, and I wish you all the best.